How to make and create Pinterest ad on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest ad easy and fast. First thing you have to do, go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for Canva for Pinterest. Now click on Pinterest ad. It will take you directly to this page. Now on this page, as you can see, you will find many templates. Choose the one that you want. For example, let's choose this one, and you can edit the text and everything from here. After you finish editing the templates, go to share and click download. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.